What's going on, everybody? Today in this video we're going to be unboxing our PRL, TGV, and EGR deletes. Time to go. Always cut away, or you know, just like kind of in a general direction that's not towards your face. Always close your knife. There you go. So I'm filming this video today on my new iPhone 11 Pro Max because the GoPro that I have is pretty old, like 5 years, and with technology that's just kind of it's old at that point. All right, so right here, first of all, very first thing pulled out is our EGR block-off plates and spacer, and you got a little metal gasket in there and your little elbow and thing, and that's the EGR delete right there. That's all it is. Okay, then this is what I really wanted. Didn't need to get the EGR delete, but it's really helpful because, okay, so the reason for the EGR delete, the EGR is an exhaust gas recirculation valve. So what happens when you recirculate exhaust gas back into the intake? First of all, the reason it's on cars in the first place is for emission standards. It keeps the car running at, I think, since it's taking exhaust gas and putting it back into the intake, one, it's warmer, which is not good for performance, not good for turbos, and especially not good for an FA direct injection engine or an EJ, because that causes them to knock and then they blow up. If you know anything about Subarus, you already know that. But the reason it's on cars in the first place is because if the exhaust gas has already been burned once and then it goes back in and it gets burned again, it's actually more efficient and produces less hydrocarbons from the gas or something like that. I honestly don't remember. It's for emissions. That's why it's on cars. Helps them run cleaner, something like that, whatever. Anyway, I like to pretend to know things, but whenever I try and spew them, I don't actually remember what it is. I know the thing. I know why. I've been told why. I've read why. But then when I try and say it out loud, I fucking no chance. And this is your PRL TGV Delete. I don't know what it is about just a brand new solid piece of metal, but it's really cool. You got none. You got none on it. Fist of Fury. If you got in a fight with these, you would break very many fingers. So, the point of the TGV Delete is, I really like that. Is that engraved? Yeah, it is engraved. It's kind of engraved and embossed in there. I really like that. Huh. I'm not quite sure what that's for yet, but I will do some research on that and figure it out. These are really cool. So, the point of the TGV, or tumbler generator valve, is that right? See what I mean? Is another emissions thing. So in the stock TGV, there's a little bar that goes through the middle of here, and it's got kind of like a little throttle body flapper thing on the inside there. And I mean, as far as I can tell, it kind of works like, as far as I can tell, it kind of works like a throttle body itself, where at higher throttle, it opens up and lets more air through, and at lower throttle, it lets less air through. But in either case, it causes turbulence, tumbler generator, so that your car gets less airflow and doesn't run nearly as good in a boosted car. So that's the point of these. You like my new sunglasses? Oh wait. Okay. Hipster glasses, grandma glasses. Hipster glasses, grandma glasses. Oh wait, no, it's Owlman. Cause see, there's the nose and, okay, sorry. That's it, that's all there is. Like, I mean, ow! So these go, I guess it could kind of be considered a, an equivalent to like an intake plenum spacer on like older cars or something. I think those are to improve airflow. That's the only, I never really researched those because I never had a car that those would go on, but I mean, yeah. Oh, what's that? Huh. I got a little scratchy scratch on there. I don't know if I just did that or if I did it when I was opening it or if that came that way, but I mean, it's not like it's an engine dress-up piece. Nobody's ever gonna see it. Not that big of a deal. I may not edit much of anything in this video because I've been talking for 6 minutes and I'm already done unboxing. Stay tuned for the install. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, talk shit, don't talk shit. Hit the notification bell because I don't make videos very frequently, very consistently, because life happens, but it's also too short to drive boring cars.